Look out for Pantaloon, a bit of news flowing in for the counter there. Peter England has approved the demerger of Pantaloon with the swap ratio of 1:5. So remember, Peter England is a retail format chain for Aditya Birla Group. So it is a positive coming in for Pantaloons. Apart from that, in a separate set of news, the Future Retail value chain is going to merge with Pantaloon. Remember, Future Retail essentially comprises of Big Bazaar and Food Bazaar. They have several outlets, and this move essentially is to cut down the operational costs there. So two positive set of news coming in for Pantaloons. If you look at the counter there, it's trading below the 20-day moving average. Also look out for Infosys, and media reports are indicating that the company is in talks with a Spain-based company called Everest for acquiring them. Now Everest has employee strength of 9,000 people globally and clocked a revenue of $635 million in FY11. So that's an interesting bit coming in from Infosys. We haven't heard of an acquisition from Infosys for quite some time. They're sitting with huge amount of cash on their books. If you look at the counter there on a 7-day RSI basis, they're trading in the overbought zone. Also look out for ONGC, and ONGC is all set to buy 2.72% stake in Azeri Fields for $1 billion. If you look at the acquisition is expected to be closed for the first quarter of 2013. There, and the average production from the field is expected to be 7 lakh barrels per day.
Mika, thanks for that. Let's go to Yatin for mid and small cap stocks.
Good morning, Nikunj. The first stock to watch out for will be Indraprastha Gas, which is IGL. The company has increased the gas prices by nearly 20 paisa per kg in the NCR region. This would be essentially a price hike coming in by 20 paisa a kg in Noida, Greater Noida and Ghaziabad. And this particular gas price hike will be effective from September the 8th. If you see the stock performance for IGL, the stock is down nearly over 35% on a YTD basis, and is testing the 50-day moving average. Moving on to Bosch, and the company has, again suspended the production at their Jaipur and the Bangalore plant. Their Bangalore plant would partially shut for 5 days in September, and if you see the Jaipur plant, that would be shut by nearly 4 days on a full production basis. So clearly there is some bit of inventory pressure that the company or the auto ancillary major has been facing since long time. If I remember correctly, this is the 4th production cut that the company has taken in the last 3 months. So clearly a negative coming in for Bosch. So expect Bosch to remain under pressure in today's trade.